how to construct the outlet of a concrete pump. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to construct the outlet of a concrete pump. Watch this video. You see that the outlet is pointing downward, and you might be wondering, where is this water entering? So I'm going to teach you how to construct this outlet. You have to know this so that you instruct your mason on what to do. I told you that I made a lot of mistakes when I was constructing my own, but I reconstructed it and corrected the mistakes. So the essence of this video is to guide you so that you don't make the same mistake, because this might act as a discouragement to some people. The thing came as a discouragement to me, and I gathered courage to review it. It might not work the same way for you. So after this video, you also learn this aspect so that you will not make mistake in the construction of your concrete pump. Before we dive into that, I want to appreciate all our supporters. Thank you very much. Thank you for sharing this video. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you for commenting. Thank you for liking our video. If you are just joining us, please subscribe and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever we post a video like this, you will see it. And for those of you that are watching our video, you don't want to subscribe, you don't want to comment, you don't want to do anything, please subscribe. We are giving out this information free. The only thing that we require from you is just a subscription. That's all. We are not collecting any money, we are not collecting any dime. It is free of charge. All I need from you is just your subscription. Just click the subscription button and you are good to go. That is all I have from you. Thank you for doing that. So let's dive into the business of the day. These are the things that you need to construct your concrete pump. I'm using 1-inch pipe and 1-inch elbow to illustrate this. Remember, you are supposed to use 2 inches, and if you see 3 inches, better. So we assume that this is our pond. Okay, so we are going to assume that this is our pond. This is just for illustration. So we assume that you have finished building the pond and you want to put the outlet. So this is what you need. So this is what you're going to do. You insert this thing here. Insert it like this, and then put it this way. Look at it. So this is how you're going to put it. And then this one, you perforate this thing. You perforate this thing. Then insert it here. Then before then, when you want to floor it, your flooring has to slope from here down to this place. Okay, so that you get this level. This side has to be higher than here. Then here it has to be lower, so that whenever you want to flush your water, everything will just slope down this place. And make sure you put this thing so that your fish will not escape through this outlet. So that's the essence of perforating this thing. So this is how to construct the outlet of a concrete pump. Please share this video so that others will learn this thing. When I first constructed my own, this is what the mason did. This is what he did. And this is the wrong way of constructing the outlet of a concrete pump. If your own is like this, it's wrong. It's very, very wrong. A concrete pump is supposed to be like this. This is how it's supposed to be. So if your own is not like this, you need to correct the mistake. So share this video so that others will see it and learn. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye bye.